our own. And I'm with you people, Yorubas, please. People should not be annoyed, those of them that said Lagos is no man's land. It's an understatement and a slight to you people's personality. I beg, I say, please, I am sorry. Lagos belongs to Yorubas. They are our host country, our state rather. And I told my people, we should appreciate the Yorubas because they really accommodated us. Among all the tribes in Nigeria, I stand here to say that Yorubas are the most accommodative. Yes, I said that. And why I'm saying that is that I schooled there in Yoruba land. I married there. The land blesses me and is still blessing me with children. I married there. And I have houses here. Is that not a good land? It's not every child that will allow you to buy land in their place. So please, my people, I beg of you, let us respect the Yorubas. They are the owner of Lagos. Yes, it is an understatement. We cannot take it. Somebody will go to Onitsha or Aba or Were and say that those eastern part of the country is no man's land. Will they take it? No. So my leaders, our Yoruba brothers and sisters, my legs are on the knee, please. My legs are on the floor. Say, please forgive us. Whosoever that said that, please forgive us. Please forgive us. And if people should not because of that, please. If people should not be that and fight the evils, please.
She is a great woman. She is a great woman. And that is what women we stand for. We are mothers. We don't want anything happen to our children. We protect them. Look at her coming out, going on her knees and begging on behalf of our tribes. We are not tribalistic in Lagos. Lagos is a cosmopolitan city. We accommodate people. But when it comes to protecting our heritage, we do it with everything. You saw that on Saturday, the Yorubas came out because there is nothing like no man's land. No. Lagos belongs to the Yoruba, and we have been known to vote en bloc, in bloc. You know, it's our government.